In this lesson, I will show you how we can use Gmail's confidential mode function. The Gmail confidential mode is a feature that allows us to send emails with an additional level of security and privacy. For this example, I wrote a message to a service provider who works with sonography. In this case, I am requesting a quote for the production of a set for a TV commercial that we, here in the company, intend to produce. The issue is that here in the company we have a policy of keeping production information confidential until at least the pre-production phase is approved. So, I will send the commercial script to this provider for him to quote, but I will request that he does not forward the script to anyone else. Then, I will attach the script file in PDF. And I will make it clear in the message that he should not forward the message to anyone else. But besides asking him not to share the script, I will activate the confidential mode function by clicking on this lock icon here in the lower menu. When we enable this function, a window opens with some options. The first option allows us to set a date for the message to expire. When the time set in this field passes, the message will simply disappear from the sender's inbox. For this case, I will set a 1-week limit. This is more than enough time for the provider to read the script and send me the quote. In addition, we can choose to make the message require a verification code to be opened. This verification code will be sent to the recipient's phone. So, if you want to use this function, you need to know the phone number of the person you are sending the message to. Now I will click on Save. Note that after this, the message displays an informative box indicating that the confidential mode function is active and the date on which the message will expire. If you want to edit any function parameter, just click on Edit. Otherwise, just click on Send. At this point, since I marked the option for the message to require a verification code sent by SMS, I need to enter the recipient's phone number. Then, just click on Send, and the message will be sent normally. Now let's see what happens when the recipient receives a message with the confidential mode active. Note that the recipient is using a different email service than Gmail. Nevertheless, the confidential mode will work according to what we configured. In this case, the recipient will click on View the email. And since I marked the option for the recipient to require a passcode to open the message, he should click on Send Passcode. When he does this, he will receive a code by SMS on his phone. And now he can open the message. Note that this message does not offer the option to print or forward the message text. It is also not possible to select the text to use the copy and paste function. And it is also not possible to download the attachment file. What the recipient can do is open the file for immediate reading. But he also cannot download the file. And if he clicks on the print option in the browser, the text will not appear in the print. So, the confidential mode is useful for sending sensitive or private information, such as financial information, personal information, or confidential business information. This function lowers the probability of this information being sent to unwanted people. However, it is important to remember that the confidential mode does not guarantee 100% security and privacy. The recipient can still transcribe the text, or use tools such as the operating system's print screen to copy the message information. So, always consider this when sending confidential or personal information. Although tools like this increase the level of security of the message, it is essential that the sender of messages with this type of information be someone you trust. So, that's it for this class. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.